Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix new second monitor not detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your second monitor is not detected on your Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First, you can just press Windows plus P key. You can say Windows plus P. Then after that you can click on extend. If in case you are not seeing this option, then you can just click on the start menu, then click on settings. Click on systems. Then in right side you will find display, click on display. Scroll down, you will find here multiple display. You have to click on this. You can see here detect other display. You have to just click on detect. Before clicking detect, you have to make sure that you have plugged in your monitor and it is turned it on. After that, just click on detect and you will see your second monitor. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix new second monitor not detected on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you liked, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.